Welcome to our channel again. Bienvenidos a nuestro canal. Today we are going to work with living barriers. Why? Because we are having trouble here with the soil. It's too much acid on the soil. So we have done already work on this one and this one too. And now we are going to work on this one too. So what we do is, this is Nopal, or called Pear, Opuntia ficus indica. It is a vegetable. We can eat the leaves, cook them, make into tacos with meat and everything, and also we get the fruits from there. So the problem that I am having here is the soil is too much clay. As a result, it's too much acid on this one. So we are going to build it up with black soil for the dragon fruits to thrive better. So what we do is we put this plastic around here, and then we will dig around and put these leaves of Pear around there, and then we will build it up with black soil that we are trying to build with the black soldier flies. So here we go. What we have here is the black soldier flies. Black soldier flies help us to make black soil. These larvae are helping us to decompose the things that are coming from the kitchen. What we do is we put the things that are coming from the kitchen, and then we put water. And the water is coming down there, and this is fertilizer. So what we are going to do is make the space big, a little bit here, for the Pear to go in easily. And then what we are going to do is, when we have them in, we will take this plastic, because this plastic is what it's giving us is an idea of how the circle is going. So when we finish, the shape will be nice too. To give a good start to these plants, what we are going to do is to put a little bit of this is compost and cow manure mix. You can buy them on anywhere warehouse. Put the soil around. It only costs peanuts, not too expensive. And then on the top we will put the liquid that we are getting from the black soldier plant. With these Pear, has to be careful because it has little prickles here. I get them sometimes. So this is what we do. So we put them like that, and then we will move them back to get the shape of the other ones. too. With precaution. And another one here. One more here. And the last one here. Now what we do is with the shovel, we'll reinforce the soil. Without damaging the prickle pears, because these prickle pears, I cut them about 2 weeks ago and leave them here, and so it doesn't get rotten when we plant them. But if we cut them and straight away put in the soil, we got the opportunity that they will not thrive properly, they will die. So it's the same, if we touch with the shovel, if we do a cut on the plant, also will get damaged and can die. Now we are going to take these plastics because it's not good anymore. So take it out. Without touching the plant, also remove the cover. Alright, now we go around, giving a little squeeze there. Now we put them back to get a better shape. From these plants, in about 6 months they will start shooting new plants here. And what we do with them? Well, we can cook them. Also, we can give as a food for the black soldier flies, or we can put them on the compost to make black soil. So now, these little plants also is medicinal. It's good for controlling diabetes. So how we do? Well, we cut pieces of these leaves, we put into water, and the liquid that is coming from them, we take it every single day. Or also we can cook it. So that's the way to control diabetes. Not many plants can do it. And try. The taste of the water that is coming from here is very nice. It's very pleasant. Okay. this will help us to keep the soil maybe about this level, and it will be easy for us to go around with the mower cutting the grass. And all what I have to do to control the weeds here is just with the hand. Will come and get them. And we'll be adding black soil a little bit more up to this level. So there. That will be enough for the dragon fruits to try better. It will be more healthy and will give us, as a result, will give us more fruit. And also, around here, we'll be planting this plant here. So we will also be planting around the lavender like this one, because if you have seen my videos, can you get close to this? If you have seen my videos, we got bees here in my yard. We got apis mellifera and also native bees. Bees here, getting crazy with them. So this lavender has many properties, and having in the garden help us for the pests not come close to the plants that we have here. They don't like the smell by with them. These are eureka lemons. They're doing well here. They like the acid soil. They don't have any trouble. These are some of the vivas that we grow here also in the garden. This is a beautiful guava. Maybe in a couple of days we'll be ready. It's almost ready. What we do here is we protect with this plastic bag, a sandwich bag, and a little bit of tissue. The sandwich bag protects from the fruit fly, because the fruit fly get them, and the tissue protects them from the sand. This is a beauty, and it's on winter, so it should be bigger if it was on summer, but anyway, it's good. We'll keep protecting because the fruit flies are around them. Here we have limes, Tahitian limes, seedless. It's doing well too. I want to show you the inside of the top half. And what do we have here? Mason jars, and they build the combs on the mason jars by themselves. And when they're full, pick them up, put another one. Here there are some empty ones that they're checking. So we hope you like this video. If you like it, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.